Hi everyone, if your toilet takes too long to refill after flushing, here are 2 quick fixes you can try. The first option is to simply see if the water supply valve is partially closed. If it is, fully open the valve. Flush the toilet and see if that fixed the problem. If it did, great. If not, try cleaning the fill valve. For the common Fluidmaster fill valve, turn off the water supply valve. Flush the tank. Unhook the valve arm from the adjustment screw. Grab the fill tube with your right hand, and with your left hand, lift the valve arm and twist the valve cap counterclockwise. Note the position of the valve arm and remove the valve cap. Wipe and inspect the valve seal for damage or wear. Inspect the valve seat for damage or wear. To flush out debris, place a cup upside down over the valve and slowly open the water supply valve. Reinstall the valve cap in reverse order. Reposition the valve cap, grab the fill pipe, and twist the valve cap clockwise until it stops. Reconnect the valve arm to the adjustment screw. Turn on the water supply valve and see if that fixed the problem. If it did, great. If not, I recommend that you replace the valve seal, and if that doesn't work, replace the entire fill valve. Links for these 2 repairs are in the description below. Here is another video that might interest you.